Today I have a very special guest. I'm super excited that James has allowed us to come in and really get in the ins and out of his business and what he does.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do today is what we call in jiu-jitsu a break fall. All right, so it demonstrates how to fall to not like slam your body on the ground. So whether someone pushes you or you trip or whatever the scenario may be, it shows you how to land, and then we'll work protecting yourself also when you land. Break fall, all right? So I'm gonna turn to the side so that you see how I'm sitting, right? When I fall, I'm going down and then I roll. But you see how I'm coming up, like rocking, right? So it's kind of rocking. So I don't land like boom. I don't want to zap the mat. I want to make sure I'm rolling, okay? So as I go, I'm here, sit back, bang, and then I have my feet up, right? So my hands help absorb. You don't need to do it necessarily, but my feet are up, right? So here, right? Bang, my feet are up. They're ready to protect myself. So if that person's on the side, I can use my feet, keep them away from me as I try to stand back up. Now, once I break fall, I want to be able to move with my opponent or with the enemy. So if they try to go one way or the other way, I want to keep my feet in front of them. So as I break fall, right, I'm here. So now I move, so I'm rocking. I rock to keep them in front of me. Right? I don't necessarily do this. I want to be able to keep them in front of me. So it takes a little bit of core, and you want to start to understand how to move your body, right? Okay, so I'm going side to side. So as that person's in front of me. So if they come close, I can push them, right, so that I can keep space.
Check these videos out that I've recommended for you, and also take a look at some of my personal favorites.